Hey everybody, welcome to the shop. My name is Jameson, and today we're going to be looking at a pattern maker's vise. This one is from Grizzly Industrial, and I have the luxury of having used this very vise, but I didn't have the luxury of setting it up. So let's go to an overhead view where I will show you what is included here. Now, a pattern maker's vise, if you don't know, is it's a vise that can be mounted to anywhere that there's a proper size mounting hole, which I'll show you shortly. Now that means the vise is removable, so you can store it away when not in use, and that's great because it doesn't take up bench space. It also has these cool pivoting jaws that allow it to hold basically any weird shape you can imagine, from, weirdly shaped nets like that to what it originally I think was designed for, which is a luthier vise, is another name for it actually. That's a stringed instrument, so it could be guitar makers, violin makers, so on. It'll hold the neck really well. That way they work on it. So that's a cool thing because they actually have rubberized jaws, and that's a big plus, so you don't mar a work surface that is finished, like a fancy fishing net. The design for this probably hasn't changed in like 150 years, so if it ain't broke, just don't fix it. It's good. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna drill some holes. All right, time to measure the diameter of this, because this dictates the hole size we're going to put in the table. The rod itself is about 5/8 of an inch in diameter, and that means we want to go a little bit bigger to give us some room. So I'm going to go with a fruit fly in my face. I'm going to go with a 3/4 inch Forstner bit. This one's super dull, so that should be a hoot, but let's drill it in the tabletop. Now, if you have 1-inch holes in a traditional workbench top, you already have a mounting hole to rock and roll with. That's awesome. Use that. When you're about to mount this to your workbench, like this here, you can see the skirt that I have is actually a 2x4. You want to actually use the plate that came with it, that is what mounts to the bottom of the vise itself, because that will tell you the offset it needs to be, or else you'll have a very teetery vise. You don't want that. That's cool. That was very pleasant. Another little fun feature of this is the fact that not only does it mount anywhere you need it, you can also loosen this and pivot it around and tighten. That's pretty easy. As you can see, mounting this thing is as simple as actually just drilling one hole. That's pretty easy, even I can do that. Now, I am gonna probably end up drilling a bunch more holes around my workbench because I want this thing to be able to go where I need it to go. I'm gonna move on to pivoting some jaws around, show you the capacity, and some tasty B-roll of this in action. So if you work in a small wood shop where benchtop space is a premium, having a pattern maker vise on hand can be a game changer, because all you have to do is drill a single hole in the benchtop and you have a mounting location. When you're not using it, take it out, put it in a drawer, wait for the next time you need it. Now you're gonna see this thing in a lot of videos moving forward because it is super practical. And if you want one, I'll put a link to it in the description below. That'll take you to grizzly.com to pick one of these up. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing to this. Much appreciated. My name's Jameson, and I'll see you on the next one.